Dramatic daylight robbery at a plaza in Ligani area. We're gonna discuss this on the program. This is Links WSM TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. What I want to discuss today on the program is a situation I saw online as it relates to a robbery captured on CCTV. And this robbery occurred at the Ligani Lane Plaza in St. Andrew, in which a woman was walking towards the plaza when an individual grabbed her bag and escaped with a large sum of cash, I'm told. It is said that the cash amounted to $500,000. I'm not sure whether that is true or not. However, the dramatic scenes was captured on CCTV footage at that area. But before I even show you the footage of that, I just want to implore the public and also people across the world, not only in the Caribbean, but internationally. Whenever you're conducting business and you are about to, right, are you about to withdraw large sum of cash, don't tell anyone, because most of the time the people you are informing, they are informing other individuals to prey on you. And I believe this was what transpired here in this incident, because these individuals were lurking around the area before the incident occurred. So they must have had some form of information, or something must have been provided to them in order for them to know that this female was going to be at this plaza at this specific time. So they had their information and they acted well on the information. Now they escaped with a large sum of cash, and a getaway bike was also on hand in order to allow the easy transition of the individual with the cash. So I'm going to share this video with you right now on Links of Love 7 TV. Let's talk. And I just want you to just watch this video and just watch what took place. Let's go over to my screen right now. So as you can see, that individual there walking, coming towards the CCTV camera. As you can see, you're unable to see his face because his face is covered. And when you look now, you see a bike circling in the way of the back there. Now you see the female here coming out. That's the female that's about to be robbed. Look what happened now. So he dragged the bag from the female and made a hasty retreat onto a waiting motorcycle. The female was in so much shock that she tried to get up and she fell back to the ground. Now, this individual who carried out this brazen attack on the female must have had some vital information. He must have known the female was going to be here at this specific time. He must have known what she had in the bag. Some information was leaked. And that's what I'm telling you. You have to be extremely careful, especially during this time where jobs are few and people want the fast bucks. So whenever you're out there in the public space or the public domain, you have to be very observant and watch around you. Even though in this case, the individual was able to sneak behind the female. And even if you're going to withdraw large sum of cash, you really need to start thinking about taking someone with you, or try to find some other means of carrying out your transaction. If it's even to draft up a check instead of you carrying the cash around with you, because to lose that amount of money in a time as this is going to have a mental toll, and it's going to be difficult. It's going to be hard. Now this female, the way or the manner in which this individual grabbed the bag from her, she might have been even hurt based on the fact that how she fell to the ground. As you can see there, she fell to the ground very hard, and it's a sad situation coming out there. But we really have to just be mindful of what's going on around us and just be observant as well, because she was just walking. She wasn't paying any attention to who was coming behind her. If she had even given a little prey behind her, then she would have seen that someone was following her. However, this individual lurked around there, and they would have known the specific time that this individual was about to exit the location, and they made good on their escape with whatever she had or whatever cash she had within that bag. So we have to be careful out there, and it doesn't make sense you are carrying around this large sum of cash with you and then you're not providing the proper measure or the proper avenue in order to transport this cash, because you're putting yourself at risk, you're putting your life at risk, and at times you might put your life at risk and others at risk, based on the fact that if you put up resistance whenever they try to attack you for your money or whatever, you know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be like a win-win, a win or lose situation between you and them. So they have to be careful. But this situation is very sad, and I hope that the female was not hurt in the incident, and even if she did, I hope it's not anything serious based on the fact of what we saw in the video. However, I'm going to leave this one for now. Just tell me, how do you feel about this, and just drop it in the comment section. What do you think, or what do you think people can do in order to protect themselves more, especially when they are transporting large sums of cash around? Just drop it in the comment section and let me know how you feel. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and I believe I'm going to leave this one here for now. Have a blessed and productive day. Links TV.